problem based on composite functions. So here we are going to perform problems based upon these composite functions of part 1 under the advanced level. So here, if f and g are of two functions, then the composite function of f and as well as g is defined by means of g of f. And similarly, the composite function of g and f will be defined by means of f of g or f composite g. Then now, so here we are going to perform the problem, that is example number 1. So under this example, let the first function, that is f of x, is defined by means of, the first function f is defined by means of f of x equals to x square plus 2, and the second function g, that is defined by means of g of x, is equals to x square minus 2. For all x are of real values. So here we have to find out f of g of x and g of f of x. Then later, say here, what do you conclude or what do you infer after finding the f of g and as well as g of f? Then now the solution starts. In our solution, so here as per the problem, the first function f of x is given by means of x square plus 2, and the next function g of x is given by means of x square minus 2. But in case number 1, so here we have to find out f of g of x, that is f of g of x. So here, in order to find out f of g of x, first we have to take g, then later f. So here, in order to find f circle g, that is f composite g of x, first take g, then we have to go for f. Then now the next logical step will be of so here we are going to find out f of g of x can be given by means of f when circle is removed, say a bracket, that is g of x, but that implies f within the square bracket the g of x. So here g of x is given by means of x square minus 2. So here we can replace this g of x by means of x square minus 2. Then now, but f of x is given by means of x square plus 2, that is a given function. So in that given function we have to substitute. So f of x square minus 2. So here, but f of x is given by means of x square plus 2, which is the given function, that is f, given f of x. Then now, but we have to find out f of x square minus 2. So here, so that implies f of x square minus 2, that is x must be replaced by means of x square minus 2, that is at x is equals to x square minus 2. Then now, so that implies x must be replaced by means of this x square minus 2, but it must be squared because it is of x square. then now plus 2 must be written as it is. Then now the next logical step will be of, so that implies it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So here when we assume x square as a and 2 as b, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So based upon this logical step, that is special product, that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to elaborate, so this x square minus 2 whole square. Then in its elaboration, a square, so here a value is of x square, but it must be squared, minus 2ab, minus 2 into a value again is of x square into b value is of 2, plus b square, so b is of 2, so it is of 2 square, and this last term, that is plus 2, must be copied as it is. Then now the next logical step will be of, it is in the form of a power m whole power n type. So here a power m into n, bracket indicates into 2 into 2 is of 4, minus 2 2s is of 4 into x square is of 4x square, plus 2 square, 2 repeatedly multiplied twice, 2 2s is of 4, then now plus 2 copied as it is. But here we have utilized one identity, that is a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n, whereas here 2 into 2 as 4. So then now the next logical step will be of, so that implies x power 4 minus 4x square plus 4 plus 2, these two are of like terms, plus of plus is plus, we have to add up, plus 4 plus 2 is of 6 with positive because 4 is greater than 2. Then now in this manner we got f of g of x is equals to x power 4. So here therefore f of g of x is given by means of x power 4 minus 4x square plus 6. Then now let's go for the second one, that is case number 2. So we have to find out g of f of x. So in the second case we have to find out g of f of x. In order to find out g of f of x, so first we have to take f, then letter n g. So here in order to find g composite f of x or g circle f of x, first take f then g. Then now the same g of f of x can be written as, so your g, when circle is removed, so we have to write square bracket then f of x in the place of circle composite. So we have placed square bracket, then now f of x. But here, so that implies g of f of x, but here as per the problem f of x is of x square plus 2. So here we can write the reason here. So here since f of x is given by means of x square plus 2, so here I have substituted x square plus 2 in the place of f of x. Then now the next logical step will be of, so that implies g of x square plus 2, but here we know, so here but g of x, the original function is given by means of x square minus 2. So this is the given g of x function. Then now, so we have to find out g of x square plus 2. So here that implies g of x square plus 2. So here this x must be replaced by means of this x square plus 2. So at x is equals to x square plus 2. Then now, so now that implies x must be replaced by means of x square plus 2, but it must be squared. Minus 2 is copied as it is. But here when we assume x square as a and 2 as b, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. But we know a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here based upon this special product, so here we can elaborate x square plus 2 whole square as, so here that implies a square, so a is replaced by means of x square, but it must be squared because it is of a square, plus 2ab plus 2 into a value is of x square again into b is of 2 plus b square, so b is of 2, that is 2 square. So this minus 2 must be copied as it is. Then now the next logical step will be of, that implies it is in the form of a power m whole power n. So it can be written as a power, that is x power 2 bracket 2, 2 into 2 is of 4. So here plus 2 2's is of 4, x square written as it is. So plus 2 square value to repeatedly multiply twice, 2 2's is of 4, then now minus 2 must be copied as it is. So here I have utilized one product, one identity, that is a power m whole power n as a power mn, as x power 2 into 2, as x power 2 2's is of 4, just as m into n. Then now the next logical step will be of g of, therefore g of f of x will be given by means of x power 4 plus 4x square. So here these two are of like terms, so we can simplify plus 4 and minus 2, plus into minus as minus. We have to subtract 4 minus 2 as 2. So 4 is greater, its sign will be of positive. Therefore we will be getting x power 4 plus 4x square. The next logical step will be of, so that is of g of f of x. Then now therefore g of f of x is equals to x power 4 x power 4 plus 4x square x power 4 plus 4x square then now plus 4 minus 2 as plus 2. So here, so this is the g of f of x. Then now here from, so let us assume this as the second equation. Then the first equation is of f of g so here f of g of x is of x square minus 4x plus 6, x to the power of 4 minus 4x square plus 6. So x to the power of 4 x to the power of 4 minus 4x square plus 6 is the f of g of x. So here let us assume this as the equation number 1. So here from 1 and as well as 2 equations, it is clear that the first equation right hand side is of x power 4 plus 4x square plus 2. The second equations, the first equations right hand side is of x power 4 minus 4x square plus 6. Second equations right hand side is of x power 4 plus 4x square plus 2. So here right hand sides are not equal, therefore left hand sides also won't be equal. So here from this it is clear that, so here f of g of x is not equal to g of f of x. So here we have concluded that f of g of x is not equal to g of f of x.